very warm welcome to everyone. Let's get started with our today's topic of day 11th video, which is present perfect continuous tense. So, let's study it with a quick definition. It is the present perfect continuous tense describes an action that started in the past and is still continuing in the present or has just finished. Means in this we are talking about an action which was started in the past, not now. Beforewards, it was started, and we are doing it still now. Till now, we are doing it, or we have just finished it now. Like that, it is at that time we use present perfect continuous tense. So, before starting it, we have to first always see in every tense the helping verb. So, in this, there are two helping verbs, have been or has been. These two are there. So let's see their uses. So with I, we, you and they have been are used, and with he, she, it and name has been is used. So by this we have continued to our topic that how the helping verbs will be going to used. So let's see the examples. But before seeing the examples, we have to see some new things which are in these structures since, for and time. So since, for, let's do them with these two paragraphs or sentences also we can say. So in since is used to indicate the exact starting point of the action, a specific point in time. Example is she has been living here since 2020. So in this and this both are same. In this affirmative and this both are same. Just here since, for plus time was there and here also. So by this sentence we have understood that since is used to indicate the correct starting time or point of time. In this we know the correct starting time of the action. And in for is used to indicate the duration or the amount of time the action has been in progress. She has been living here for 5 years. Means in since they are saying about point of time, any exact starting point of the action. In for it is saying about the period of time, for how much period, 5 hours, 6 hours, 3 hours they were living there or the action was done there. So it's about the duration. So let's do it with the example. So it is वह 2 दिनों से आ रहा है, मैं वहां सुबह से जा रही हूँ, तुम 2 घंटे से बोल रहे हो. In these all you can see the time is mentioned. That's why it is present perfect continuous tense. So its affirmative structure is subject plus has have been plus V1 plus ing, means the V for verbs fourth form present participle plus object plus since for plus time. So for this वह 2 दिनों से आ रहा है means he is coming from 2 days and has just came now or is coming. The work is going in progress. So here subject is he. We use has been with he. So he has been. आ रहा है coming. And there is no object, so we will not write anything. Then since, for plus time. So here it is 2 दिनों means 2 days it is. It is saying about 2 days, a period of time. So we will use here for. So it will be he has been. He has been coming for 2 days. It will be he has been coming for 2 days. Next one is मैं वहां सुबह से जा रही हूँ. सुबह से means here since will be used. तुम 2 घंटे से बोल रहे हो, 2 घंटे से means here for will be used. Like that it is. So in this, for this it will be मैं वहां सुबह से जा रही हूँ. I have means it's not the negative, affirmative. I have been. वहां सुबह से जा रही हूँ. I have been going. वहां, so it will be there. So I have been going there since morning. I have been going there since morning. Next is तुम 2 घंटे से बोल रहे हो. You have been speaking. You have been speaking for 2 hours. Like that it will be. Now let's do the negative one. So it is subject plus has have plus not been. In this not will only come and all the rest of the things will be same. So वह 2 दिनों से आ रहा है. He has not been coming for 2 days. Means वह 2 दिनों से नहीं आ रहा है. Next one, मैं वहां सुबह से नहीं जा रहा हूं. So I have not been going there. I have not been going there since morning. Next is तुम 2 घंटे से नहीं बोल रहे हो. You have not been speaking. You have not been speaking for 2 hours. Like that. Next and our last one, which is interrogative. So has have plus subject plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object plus since for plus time. Then in last it will be question mark. So वह दो दिनों से आ रहा है. So it will be क्या वह 2 दिनों से आ रहा है. So it will be for the sentence has he been? Has he been coming for 2 days? Has he been coming for 2 days? Then in last question mark. Next is मैं वहां सुबह से जा रही हूँ. So it will be क्या मैं वहां सुबह से जा रही हूँ. Have I been going there since morning? Since morning. Next is क्या तुम 2 घंटे से बोल रहे हो. Have you been speaking for 2 hours? And then question mark in last. So by this we have came to our end of the video. Thank you everyone. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe it and share it to your friends. Thank you.